Going on the road. Going on the road. Going on the road with Harley and Mona. RV broke.
This is my morning setup. Every morning. Motorhome. This is the green room. Egg, got bacon, music. That's it.
Good afternoon. It's a lovely day here in Lake Havasu, and we are attending the
Buses by the Bridge.
Buses by the Bridge. Again, we did this last year, but we're here on the first day this year. So we'll show you a little bit of the buses on the bay. Bridge. Buses by the Bridge. This is so cool.
Wow. Yeah, I had a set of these valve covers I left in the garage. I love this, man. This is cool. Open it up.
Yeah.
They would love that.
It's filling up. RRV, I don't know what RRV means. Rubber something.
You never know. It might just be
yes,
our
it
RV.
is. It is filling up here.
It might just be our RV.
That's
R
true.
A-R-E, our RV. Yeah, that'd be nice.
I shouldn't say filling up. I would say filling in, because it would never be filled up.
A lot of empty spaces, like right here. Oh, look at this one coming in. Tandem axle. It's a Monaco, it looks like.
IRV2
Oh, it is Monaco, huh?
Monaco. So they have their little group areas where they come
See, those are all Monacos.
every year. Yes, that's a Monaco area back there.
They're RVs. That's what had playing music all the time, too.
Yeah.
I don't know if they're playing tonight. I don't know. That one came in last week. The Black Jeep. This is all open here.
Oh, this is filling in here too.
Yeah.
Oh, those people did leave.
Yeah, we're here.
Yeah.
I wonder if they moved over. Wherever they went, they were all
Wonder if Traveling Robert is here.
probably.
He usually comes and
Yeah.
then we
Yeah, that other one,
We
Grand
haven't-
Adventure 2 is here, and
met him yet.
they're usually here. Like that hobo. too. The one
Yeah.
guy that we were watching, he's here somewhere. I don't know where he's at either. I don't
There's a
watch
whole
him, I
gang
guess.
there. So these are our peeps.
Peeps. Lady, well, he just goes to anybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This morning we're at the Really Big Shoe.
Really big shoe. It was a really big shoe last night when we were playing.
Yes, you played a really big shoe last night.
Yeah.
So, yep,
So,
big tent RV thing, and we'll just give you a little glimpse of what we got. Outside we have all the RVs for sale.
is this, I think, other than our first year, I think this is the first time we're back on opening day. We usually wait a little
Yeah.
bit.
Yeah.
We have some friends, Gary and Patty, are coming. We're meeting them there.
Yes, we are.
They came like a couple thousand miles to here. So.
Yeah. The Bowl Tour electric bikes. Those are nice, yeah.
Okay. Want one of these too? All the crap in there.
Yep, it's got all crap in there.
Let's see what it is. Koozies, no sunglasses. But look, it says Quartzsite.
Oh, cool.
Open road.
Man, up and down already.
We're talking to mini spit guys and all those other It's a spicy pepperoni.
Oh, that's life-changing.
Pepperoni with cheese in the middle.
That's not my thing.
But the bite comes late.
Under, over, slide it on, airtight, watertight. Have you got these already? Oh. And that's 5-month brown sugar, 4-month marshmallows. And a neat idea from my friend, she was tired of soggy salad. One bag.
Oh, that's it.
Isn't that smart? Pull the sticks off, shake it up, you got crispy salad. And please give it a little try, slide it off, that away.
Electric bikes. Always good. Always here. Ooh, Harley. What's this? Chicken.
Very
It's
moist.
so good.
You want a bite? Very good. Yeah, Carrie, you want to buy it? Yeah. Really hot, like that. But it's right by Jimmy. Kelly, we can't move.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. No problem.
Oh!
No samples here.
We're not buying this. We won't eat lunch.
Oh. Hello, little friends. Oh, you are so stinking cute. Look at you, you're so stinking cute.
On highway, caution around curves. Do not feed or harass burros.
Right.
He's the farmer home. We can listen to the engine moaning out a window song. Oh, the girl in the night before. But your thoughts will soon be wandering where they always do. When you're riding 16 hours, there's nothing much to do. And you don't feel much like riding, just wish the trip was through.
There it is. Yeah, look at that.
There we go. There's the second one. No. There it is.
Doesn't an orange one fall back down? I didn't see that. Oh, he hasn't done that yet?
It's right here. Wow.
Try to do
That's
this
cool.
and that's what I have to do is that. Oh, I can't lift these with my right hand.
Wow. Okay, I'm seeing the first one still going, and I'm seeing the second stage is dropping off to the right.
Yep.
Wow.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Going on the road.
No, that's all right.
Going on the road. Going on the road with Harley and Ramona. RV broke.